Hi guys, just a quick video to talk about BR COVID. It's going to be a class when you're going to review most of the principle of BR. And then I realized that during COVID, if you believed in COVID, if you didn't believe, if you felt good, if you felt isolated, in isolation, depressed, not connected, afraid that you didn't want to be social, we realized that everyone had three brain reflexes that were disinhibited. So three specific brain reflexes reappeared during COVID, and you can use them to relax people that are still a little bit isolated, that still didn't recover from COVID, feel that they need to wear a mask now, feel that they still don't want to connect with people, or simply maybe for long COVID. So you're going to learn those reflexes, review them, and Alaya will also do some very beautiful visualization for that. So this class is going to be a review. You're going to have nice visualization and work with Alaya, inner work. And at the same time, you're going to learn new skills to apply to COVID and some long COVID.